Hey folks, hey, this is Wesley, $1 Billion Virgin here. Hey, guess what? What I want to do in this video here, I want to show you a very, very cool trick, okay, for you to make money right now without having any social media. You don't need to create any videos, even if you have $0. And the great thing about this, look, it's worldwide, all around the world. So it doesn't matter where you live on the planet. If you have $0, you have no social media, you have no YouTube, no nothing. What I'm about to expose here in this video here, and I'm gonna show you proof in about 5 seconds. You see that's $7,000 that I've earned so far using the tip that I'm gonna show you right here in this video here. And let me do a refresh just to make sure you guys, yep, this is real, okay? This is real money here, okay? Hold on, let me do a refresh again. All right, so here we go. Let me submit again. Let me log in again. This is real money, okay? You see here? It's real money here. All right, let me go back to the reports here. Let's submit. You see that? That's $7,000 that I've earned using this technique that I'm going to show you. So SlideShare is basically a website where people like you upload articles to the site and they get paid a lot of money doing this. And I'm going to show you the trick on how they're doing this. Understand, over 100 million people per month go to slideshare.com. And I'm going to explain how that works in a second here. I'm going to explain what you need to do. And no, you don't have to write articles, okay? Because I know a lot of you don't know how to write. I know a lot of you are lazy. I get it. Smash the like button if you're lazy. Listen, so what I'm going to show you here is how we're going to use this little simple site to create thousands of thousands online that's going to be directly deposited in your bank account. Does that make sense? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to log out because, of course, I have an account as well, right? That's how, I mean, look, this is how I made $7,000. And I was in like about 4 days. I did 4 days, 7 G's, right? So imagine you doing the same thing just by simply following this simple video here, okay? So what you need to do is log in, okay? Or sign up. If you're a brand new person here. Now listen, step number 1, you must have a LinkedIn account. LinkedIn is free. So go get one now, okay? So go get a free LinkedIn account because it's the fastest way to create an account on this platform. How everything's going to link up is going to make a lot of sense, and you'll see how easy it is to make so much money from slideshare.net, okay? So I'm going to assume you've already done that, all right? I'm going to sign in because I already have an account. I'm going to log in with LinkedIn here, okay? Done deal. Boom, I'm in here. And as you can see here, these articles here are being viewed like 600,000 times. See, you have to understand something, young people. There are millions of people every single month that go to this website to read articles about everything on the internet. But what we're going to do is we're going to use this site to make money. And I'm going to show you the trick that many people, even these people, are not using. Watch this. I'm sure this guy's not doing it correctly here. Look at this article here. Yep, he's not doing it. Look, he's not doing it. Just a slideshow. Nope. He's not doing it. Not too smart. He's missing out on tens of thousands of dollars. And I'm going to show you why in a second here. So the next thing what you have to do, once you create a slideshare.net free account, if you're with me, comment below that you're with me. And please, yes, below, please comment your country below. Because like I said before, it's worldwide, okay? Anybody can do this around the world, okay? So what you want to do is go to another site called plr.com. Can someone please write that down? plr.com. Go to that website right now, okay? PLR stands for private label rights. See, this is what a lot of internet marketers, including myself, I'm going to be transparent. I'm going to expose Wesley Virgin, right? I don't write every article that you see on the internet about me. I go here, okay? I go to sites like this that given to you for free. Listen, why reinvent the wheel when the wheel is already created here? And this is why I make so much money per day, per month doing stuff like this, okay? Make sense? So listen, this site here, You can get articles about your acne, AdSense, advertising, affiliate marketing, air purifiers, alternative medicine, alternative energy, American history. Doesn't matter. They have an article for everything, right? But what we're going to do is today, for this video, we're going to focus on affiliate marketing, okay? Make sense? Click on affiliate marketing. So what we're going to do is we're going to choose, are you with me? We're going to choose an article that we're going to basically steal. It's not stealing, but capture, right? I like that word, capture, and we're going to use for ourselves because it's free, right? They give us, look at this, free. You see that word free? That means this is not plagiarism. We're not copying. Listen, if you don't realize that there are sites on the internet, they give away stuff like this for free, then, well, you're just not willing to learn. You got to open up your mind, okay? People all day are making millions of dollars on the computer right now, and this is the best time to make money online because many people have lost their jobs. Make sense? So what you want to do is scroll down, and you want to choose an article here, okay? So what I'm going to choose is the 3 easiest ways for newbies to start in affiliate marketing here. I don't want to write an article, and I know you don't want to write an article, right? It takes a lot of time to do. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to copy that article here, okay? See that? I'm going to copy the article. Is everybody with me? And then what I want to do is I want to basically go here. You actually see I've already copied and pasted the article. So you want to open up a Word doc, okay? Open up a Word doc and paste the article there. Are you with me so far? Now, what we're going to do is this. Now, because you may be thinking, well, Wesley, how are you going to make money? So this is the next website you have to go to right now. You got to go to the digistore24.com. See that? Digistore24.com. This is an affiliate platform. These are the people that's going to pay you, okay? So it's important to go here, get a free account. It is worldwide. Get a free Digistore24 account. Are you with me here? And let me show you the type of payouts that I'm getting right now. And listen, I have different ways to make money online because I've been doing it a long time. But I always want to show proof that, you know, I'm actually making money. So let me log in. Can everybody see that? So look at that. That's $13,000 here, $15,000 here, $8,000, $19,000, $27,000, $20,000. This is per week, and sometimes this is per day, okay? So please go to the site and get a free account. Now, the next thing you have to do is this, okay? Go to affiliate marketplace, okay? So the thing is, what we're going to do is this is the trick. We're going to embed our affiliate link inside the freaking article here. So what we're going to do is, you see all these offers here? Well, we can promote these things, okay? And I'm going to show you which one you should promote. You want to click on, is everybody with me so far? You want to click on, all right, internet marketing and e-business, okay? And what we're going to promote is done for you services affiliate marketing system. Let me tell you why. Now, I'm not trying to be partial to Wesley Virgin. Listen, the reason why is, well, these guys are going to pay $500 every time you make a sale. So do you want to get paid $177 promoting this guy's program or $500, right? So you're probably going to promote this one, right? We're going to use this link. We're going to copy it like this. Okay. You with me? Copy. We're going to go back to the article here. And all we're going to do is at the bottom of that article is write these words. Hey, if you want a super simple way to earn $10,000 per month, go here. And you just put your affiliate link. That's it. That's your affiliate link that we just copied before on this page here. See that? And then this is what we want to do as well, because I want you to make more money. I'm going to show you what all the greats do. Every word that says affiliate marketing, and this is good for SlideShare because they look for keywords, and if their keyword pop up, then your article is going to give you hundreds of thousands of times potentially, okay? So affiliate marketing here, you're going to right click. Are you with me? As you can see, I've already added my link, but I'll add it again. Copy and paste. Done deal. So every word in the article, you need to add your link. Why? Because when people are reading this Imagine hundreds of thousands of people that are reading this. Well, they're going to click on the link because they want to know more about it. That's obvious, right? Especially if it's a good article, which these are great articles that you're going to use. So you want to link every word that says affiliate marketing. I would even link things like affiliate here, okay? And this is how the great marketers do it, such as myself. This is the reason why I make $1 million per month. And I'm not trying to brag and I'm not trying to cap. It is what it is. It's because I really understand this. Every click that you make online, when you go to Google, go to your Facebook, somebody's getting paid. Never forget that. Somebody is getting paid. Why not you? That's what I think about. Why not you? Why are you clicking on all these stupid links? Oh, I'm not going to call them stupid. Why are you clicking on all these links and not getting paid, right? Understand, when you open up your computer and start browsing Instagram and Facebook, you're paying somebody. You just don't know the tricks. But this is why Wesley Virgin and his YouTube channel that so many people are subbing to, like hundreds of thousands of people, because I tell it like it is. You still have to work, but I'm going to give you the fastest way to do that. So you want to put a link on every word that says affiliate marketing, affiliate marketing. Are you with me so far? Okay. Then after that, you're going to save that file. You save it, blah, 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 save it, boom, boom, boom. Then you go back to SlideShare like this, and you click the word upload. See how easy this is? Upload, select the file here, go to the file. I say this, I want this now, okay? Look at there, it's uploading right now. See how easy this is? Because see, the great thing about SlideShare, they can do all the marketing for you, right? Based off how you tag it and how you title it, which I'm going to show you in this video. People are going to basically look at your article here, okay? So look, here we go. Boom, boom, boom. Right? You can put description here. Category is going to be the internet here. Okay? Public. Tags should be like make money online. We can put marketing. We can put affiliate marketing. This is important. Pay attention here. You got to do this if you want to make money. Okay? Affiliate marketing here. How many of you believe you can do this? I mean, this is simple, right? So, you see how I'm tagging this right here? So I did that. Then what do I do next? Can anybody tell me? Hit the word publish. Boom. See, discoverability score. That means that score is high. That means a high chance that they're going to discover this article based off what I just did. And I'm going to make tons of money. And the great thing about this, guess what? You can do this over and over again. You can go right back to affiliate marketing again, right? Boom, upload another one. You can keep doing this over and over and over again until you're making $500 per day, or until you're making $7,000 in like 3 to 4 days like Wesley Virgin. And the great thing about this site here, that's why I love it. I mean, it happens like every day. Every time somebody watch an article or look at the article, guess what? They're going to click on your affiliate link. Boom, if they buy it, that's $500. Can you imagine making $15,000 per day doing this? Listen, it's hundreds of thousands of ways on the internet to make money. But listen, if you never take action, like if you never do anything, if you just watch these videos and never take action, you're never going to make money. You're never going to understand how it feels to be financially free. The internet right now is, in my opinion, the best and most profitable way to make money with $0. Okay? Does that make sense? This is Wesley, $1 billion Virgin. Let's go! Motivated, dedicated, let's go!